Here we are on a piece of East-West Germany border, and I have decided to test follow me on the car. It finds the car very easy and it follows, but it started to drift to the left. Do anyone know why it would be drifting to the left? It narrowly missed the tree and it continues to drift left even though the car is going straight, and it's just missing this tree, and it continued to drift left, and the car is still going straight. Now the drone has drifted way off to the left, and as the car starts turning to the left, it has to stop for this tree, and here it stays. After this run, I made one run more with unfortunately the camera turned off, and then it slammed straight into a tree, losing a couple of propellers, but nothing worse. Anyone know why it would be drifting to the left like this? Except for when the road turns, of course.